Sunday marked the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, which is observed on June 26 every year. In Haikou, the capital of South China's Hainan province, a community drug detoxification center helps people quit drug addiction and get back to regular lives in families and society. Fu Liang Ling, 54, is the vice director of the center, named Coastline Station.
我是从2011年的1月份，然后来到我们海淀街道，从事这份工作的。其实我刚接手的时候也挺怕的，我其实也哭过，也想放弃过。
Fu applied for this job under the suggestion of her husband, a former anti-drug policeman. At the very beginning, Fu was afraid to visit the drug users. She also got the cold shoulder a lot. Sometimes people did not understand her and even yelled at her to get out of their houses.
跟他们接触以后，我就想一定要帮助他们，所以我就开始走访，逐户的走访，进入家里，真实了解家庭的声音。所以我就想呢，这个从事这个工作可以减轻我们公安民警这种工作量上的一个负担，还有可以净化我们这样一个文明的环境嘞。
Fu says she encourages drug addicts a lot, who would call her sister, mother, or grandma. Hard work paid off. At the end of 2011, Fu managed to help 15 people quit drugs. Fu also helps them repair family relations, regain confidence, and return to society.
我呼吁我们社会各界人士，曾经吸过毒、已经戒掉毒瘾的人，多一份关心，多一份接纳，给他们回归的道路上打通最后1公里。
Out of the center, Fu often goes to schools, companies, and other organizations in the locality to promote anti-drug knowledge. She also hands out anti-drug brochures to the public and posts anti-drug information on the popular messaging service WeChat.